Welcome to Tony and Julia's Tube! Hello everyone! I am Anthony, I am 5 years old. I am Julia. I am 2 years old.
3 years old. And what are you going to do today?
Today we are going to do assembling.
Assembling of what?
Assembling
Of that. I show it. It's a farm.
farm at Comté cheese.
It's a cheese farm made in JeuJura, which is an eastern region of France, and they produce those wonderful assembling toys. Today it's a cheese farm, and it's very exciting to do. And children,
Yes!
let's do! Julia, how do we do that? It's very easy. You just need to follow the manual. You need to select the right size wooden pieces and complete the whole course. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4. Let's start with step number 1. Here we just need to use those pieces here, which you're gonna find somewhere. So you see, Julia, you do like that. Look. Yes, absolutely. This piece, you see that little thing here? You must put it like that. You see? You see that? And then look, it's fixed. Alright?
And one more here.
Tony, yes, absolutely. One more like that. And then you put the small one like that. You see this one here? You see this one here? Here. One more. It's a bit tricky here, look.
What?
You got to check carefully the manual. Look, here we noticed it looks like a long one, and it is. But here it's a short one, like that one. And that one should come here. Look at that. Like this.
Papa, on a oublié tes deux par là.
Like this. Look, you see, Tony?
Yes.
That's how we do it.
Papa, on a
Julia,
oublié
yeah?
tes deux par là.
That will come soon.
Bah si tu l'as.
Ça va venir tout de suite. Allons-y.
Papillon, papillon.
Voilà. Continue. It gets a good shape. Continue. Let's continue. Ah, we need 15 pieces like that.
Mais
Oh, fine. 15. Count. Julia, count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Find them. Find them here, yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good job. Count again. We need 15 like that. Tony, you continue. Thanks to the manual.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Please, Tony, can you repair that? Okay, it's done. It's kind of repaired. Julia, put this, please, here. You can put that here, like that.
We are finished to make
Oh, what is it, Tony?
this.
For the cheese. Yes, according to the farm manual, there will be eventually here the shelves.
We put
where-
now the cheese. Where are the cheese?
The shelves where the cheese is drying. Yeah, Tony, be careful, huh? Oh yeah, he's putting the cheese already. It's a bit early though, but why not? It's funny. Wow, it's getting nice shape, Julia. It's getting nice shape. Oh, Julia, yeah, can you put that here? Yes, that's it. Yes. Good, very good.
I want to eat cheese.
Oh, you're greedy. That's good. Tony, you're in charge, please, of finding those pieces here.
Yes.
For step number 4. Thank you. Julia, you're training yourself to do what? You're training yourself to fix these pieces together. Not like that, look. Oh yeah, it was right. You must absolutely make them, put them like that. Yes, you see? That's wrong. If you put them like that, that is not good. The pieces must be assembled like that. Alright? Great. Hey, your house is getting nice. This will be for the cheese. This will be for the cheese drying. Because that cheese is drying 6 months to 12 months for the taste to become better. Alright? Okay, Tony, Julia is training herself to do the roof. In a hurry, huh? And then you will do the door. Look, there is a door here and another gate here. We are going to do step number 5. Okay, find me this. Tiens, let me give you that one. This is
the door. Here.
Kind of window door. Here. Yes. The gate is here. No, look. The gate will be here. Look. The gate, which is that one. You see? That is the gate. And then you can put the window on the right side here. That will come. I will put it now, look. It's very easy. You put it directly like that. Hey, it goes in perfectly well, huh? Open it. Wow! Julia, did you see that? You saw the window? It's very sweet. Look, 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 look. Look at the window. Did you see it?
Yeah.
It's great, huh? Beautiful. And it's very strong already, huh? Let's continue the farm. Yeah, we continue the good job, Tony.
Yeah.
With some tiny pieces like that, we should put them like this. Another one. Yeah, good job. Like that too. Put one, I think so, yes. And another one here. No, here. Here, yes. And if you look at the manual, they're gonna be a long one like that. Yeah, here you should put a long one. A long one. This one. Okay. Thank you. Good. Yeah, the last step now. What are we gonna do? The roof. Le toit.
Non, les enfants, on va faire le toit.
Alors, comment on fait ça?
Avec ces blocs rouges là,
Oui.
on va les mettre comme ça et ça va faire un toit.
C'est ça. C'est parti. Le mode d'emploi, le voici. Donc,
Arrête Julien, mais pas maintenant.
tiens Julien, mets ça, regarde. J'ai cette pièce-là.
Ah ouais.
C'est celle-ci qu'il faut. Et il faut la mettre. Voilà, c'est ça.
Papa, d'abord,
Comme ceci. Regarde.
Papa, d'abord on met les fromages.
Eh bien, non. D'abord, il faut mettre ça. Regarde. Tiens, arrange un peu la fenêtre ici. Et il faut faire ça comme ça. Voilà. Tu mets ça, Julia. Comme ceci. Tu vois? Toc. So we should do like that. Attends. Oh, it looks great already. Whoa, Anthony. Let's continue. Julia. And then put the 2 bars like that. No, not that one. This one. You see that, Julia? Put one like this, according to the manual, without moving the rest. Okay. Thank you. One like this. Another one here. No, yeah, that's one. This one like this. Okay, and then you have to put the big roof part, that one, with Comté name. Comté is the name of the cheese. That's right. So Tony, you're gonna put that. Yeah, look, it's reversed. Look, it's written Comté. Turn it around. Yes. Julia, for you. Julia, take that one, and you can put it like Anthony, like that here. Right, standing. Okay, and you will quickly make it stronger thanks to this. That's right. Go on. Yes. Again. One more like this. Okay. And now, children, you just need to put those pieces like that, Julia, on the tile. You put them on the top, like this. Yes. You need about, I think, 3. One more like this, Julia. One more. It's beautiful. One more like that. Oh, that's a bit weird though. Ah, opposite side, Anthony. Now you can put the tiles on the top. Good. Julia, 2. A third one. Julia, put one more here. Oh, it's awesome. And then, same, Tony, you can put some here as well. That part. It's huge and great. Huh?
Wait,
And now we did it! Julia, yeah, you can finish. Put that on the roof and it's done! Well done! Tony and Julia! You happy? Oh, they didn't look at you! Oh, it looks great! Okay, Julia playing with the farm. A cheese farm producing Comté cheese. Famous cheese of Eastern France, close to Switzerland and Germany.
On dirait qu'il veut boire. Allez, madame.
Cow here and a horse. What is this? Tony, this is the milk. The milk is necessary to make the cheese. And this is the place where the cows they drink the milk. And the truck, what for? What for, Anthony? The truck? Where's the farmer, by the way?
Here.
The farmer is driving the truck. Oh, it's great. Julia, you have the farm lady?
Yes. Lady. Yes. I bring the Comté at the market and I come back, okay? Yes.
Well said. Oh, it's great. Julia, you can open the doors, yeah? That is the door. And this is where we put the cheese. Show me, Julia. Where do you put the cheese for drying? Yes. I will lift the shelves. I will take one out.
Monsieur, I have this.
I take one out. I will put this one correctly.
Oh, no.
Like that. And the other one on top of it. That's it. And we can put some cheese. Some cheese, Julia, on the shelf for drying.
Thank you.
What's that window for? Oh, this is the bedroom. The bedroom. Hello, how are you? Do you have good cheese for sale?
Yes.
I wanna buy cheese. This is inside. great wooden house, like in this area of France. Oh, it's great, huh? Huge what we did, huh, Tony? I'm very surprised actually. It's beautiful, huh? The farmer is back from the market?
Oh, yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well done, Tony and Julia.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Thank you, Anthony and Julia. It was awesome. This great cheese farm from East France. See you next time.
See you this time for new videos of YouTube. Please subscribe.